everybody, Tootsie here. It's day 11 of our 12 days of Christmas wood, and we are going to do another outside project. We are going to make it snow. To start our snowflakes, you want to have a pile of scrap wood that's different lengths and different widths. You're also going to want to have a whole bunch of 1x2s, just whatever you have laying around. I don't happen to have any, so I'm going to take this 1x10 and I'm going to rip it down on the table saw. So for my first snowflake, I have my square pieces, and then I took my 1x2 and I cut it down to different lengths as well. I have 4 pieces at 15 inches, 4 pieces at 12 inches, and 8 pieces at 2 3/4 inches. Now I'm going to put together my snowflake. If you still have that single pocket hole jig that I showed you a couple videos ago, then that's the way I would recommend putting yours together. I'm going to use my Foreman because again, I'm in Santa's workshop. So now I've got my pocket holes cut, and I only cut them on one side of the longer boards. And the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to attach them to my biggest square piece right here. After that, I'm going to layer that next piece at a diagonal and do the same thing with these smaller pieces, my 12-inch pieces. I'm going to attach them to that middle piece, just like that. And then once those are all attached, we're going to attach both of these pieces together, and we're going to add our little pieces on the ends just using wood glue and nails. It's as simple as that. So let's get to it. Now that's a simple way to bring snow to your backyard. Now that we have it all built, let's give it a sand and a good paint and we'll be done. And that's it, you guys. Day 11 is done. One more day to go. If you like this kind of content, check out Plot Design's channel, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and we'll see you next time.